Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So this bag has been sitting in my room for the longest time. This is a ton of empties, okay? Like, this is literally sitting here in this bag and I need to get rid of it. So I need to go through all these products and tell you guys if they're worth it, if they're not, and give you all of the juicy details. Spoiler alert, I'm probably gonna say I love 90% of these products because I've said it before, I've said it a million times. If I don't like a product, chances are it's going back. Like, chances are I'm not keeping it and I'm returning it. So these are products that I have used over, like, let's say the last like 3 to 5 months. I'm gonna get into this and let me tell you guys if these are worth it or if you should pass on it. So starting with this, I think I have more than one in here. No, I'm lying. So this is the Living Proof Dry Full Dry Volume and Texture Spray. I have gone through like 6 or 7 of these. I think I discovered this around a year ago. So before this, I was using the Way one and I loved it. But this one holds my hair a little bit better. This is actually the 9.9 ounce one. So this one is the one I just started purchasing because I'm like, the 6 ounce ain't doing it for me. Like, it's not enough. I need more. So you guys, I love this texture spray. It's so good. It gives like that little gritty feeling, but me personally, I don't like it. I have really fine, thin hair. So anything that's gonna help hold my hair in place is a yes for me. Another hair product. This is the IGK Good Behavior Smoothing Spray. So it's a keratin like treatment, 24-hour frizz control, and 450 heat protectant. I don't use this as a heat protector. I mainly use this as like an after spray, if that makes sense. So once my hair is fully styled, I will go ahead and spray this all over my hair because it's gonna help tame frizz, and it's also gonna, I feel like, add protein back into my hair, especially because I use heat on it pretty much every single day. So I love this. Ooh, I almost just dropped it. You can use this as a heat protector. Obviously, that's what it is. But me personally, I use other stuff for heat protectors, and then I use this as like the last step in my routine. I really, really love this. So my favorite body washes are from Saltair. I love them, and specifically this one, you guys. This is their, it's not new. It's kind of new, but not really. It's an oil-infused, nourishing body wash in the scent Golden Hour. You guys, the way that this makes your skin feel and the way that it smells is absolutely incredible. Me and my sister, whenever she comes to my house, she's like, do you have that Saltair body wash? Because that's the only one that I like to use. And I'm like, yeah, like, it's literally my favorite. It's nourishing. The smell is long lasting. Like, literally, I'll get out of the shower and I will smell this for hours. Even if I'm just like chilling, I don't put any lotion on. I just kind of like put my pajamas on and go about my like night or whatever. I will still smell this hours later. So it is so good. I believe it's $13 and you get 17 ounces, and they're regularly, I think, $12 for their non-oil infused ones, just their regular ones. So those are 12, and then this, I believe, like I said, is like 15 or 17. But even at that, this lasts me, you guys, like 3 to 5 months. Like, it is crazy how long this lasts me, and I shower obviously every day, sometimes twice a day. So this, you guys, 10 out of freaking 10. It's so good. I love Saltair. So let's quickly stick with Saltair. So I have 2 empty deodorants here. So this is their Serum deodorant. I have one in the scent Santal Bloom and one in the scent Seascape. I love these. So what these are is they're a serum deodorant, and they have AHA. They're pretty much just 5% AHA. I was gonna say AHA, BHA, but it's just an AHA deodorant. So it's gonna help prevent ingrown hairs. It's also gonna help brighten up your underarms. So if you have like dark or discoloration underneath your arms, and these are going to help, and they go on clear. They literally go on clear, which I love that, you guys. So in the summer, if you like lift up your arms, you're not gonna have all that weird stuff like from deodorant. You know what I'm talking about, like the white deodorant. You're not gonna have any of that. This is amazing, and I'm a sweaty girl. Like, I don't know if that's TMI, but I sweat, you guys, and I wear these to the gym all the frigging time, and I never stink after the gym. And when I mean I'm sweating after the gym, like, literally soaked, like, looks like I just wet my hair, like drenched in sweat, but my underarms, they still smell delicious, okay? So love that. Another product from Living Proof that I absolutely love is this. This is the heat protector that I use. This is their Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray. Protects up to 450 degrees. I love this stuff, you guys. I actually feel like it does an amazing job at like doing exactly what it's meant to do, protecting my hair from heat, because at least 1 to 2 times a week I will go ahead and crimp my hair, and when I crimp my hair I am putting direct heat on my hair, you guys, and this, I prep my hair with this and I feel like my hair does not look as split as it used to. So I just started using this like I think this year, maybe end of last year, but you guys, I absolutely love it. The way that it smells, the way that it leaves my hair, it also leaves my hair feeling looking shiny and not looking greasy. So absolutely 10 out of 10. If you need a new heat protector, this one, love it. Okay, there's a lot of hair stuff in here, you guys. Clearly I go through a ton of stuff. Okay, this is the Batiste Overnight Dry Shampoo Deep Cleanse. I absolutely love this as well. So this is exactly what it says. It's an overnight dry shampoo, so I will literally drown my hair in this at night. Like there's some times where I'm like, I'm not fucking washing my hair, I don't want to wash my hair. Like it's just a whole thing. I will go in with this, you guys, and my hair will feel so clean. This literally absorbs all of the oils. It does go on white though, so if you have darker hair like me, you're gonna have to really like zhuzh it to make sure that the white cast isn't like peeking through. But I absolutely adore this dry shampoo. I think I've gone through like 3 or 4 of these. It's so good. I haven't repurchased it yet, but I definitely need to. If you guys have been around for a minute, okay, then you know that this product right here, the Caudalie Grape water, I am never not with this, okay? Like I never don't have like a backup. I never do not have this product. This product is a non-negotiable when it comes to my skincare routine. I do not care that it's $20 for this and you get 7 ounces. This lasts me though like 3 to 5 months, so this is definitely worth it. But you guys, the way that this helps my skincare absorb into my skin, and also in the morning, if you wake up like me, puffy with eyes burning, like you just wake up swollen or whatever, spray this on your face. It is an instant refresher. Your skin like almost immediately depuffs, your eyes feel cool. Like this is literally magic in a bottle. So this, I've probably bought like 50 of them. Like I buy the travel size version of that. Like I am never without that frigging water, you guys. I know it's just water in a can, but to me, it's so much more than that, and I absolutely love it. I was right. I did have another Living Proof dry texture spray in here. So this is actually the 7.5 ounces, and now like I said before, I do buy the 9.9 ounce. It's amazing, and the proof is right here that literally I go through these. I actually go through probably like 1 a month because of how much I love it. So moving on, I actually recently spoke about this in my Best of Makeup 2024 like video I posted a few weeks ago. This is the Alley Oop Go the Distance Tubing Mascara. You guys, if you have not heard of this, if you're not using this, you do not know what you're missing out on. This has replaced all of my other mascaras. It's literally one of the only ones that I reach for because it's tubing. So it's really gonna help coat those lashes and separate them and make them look nice and full. It is just an amazing, amazing mascara. Let me show you guys what the wand looks like. This is the wand right here, and the formula of this, it doesn't irritate my eyes. It really holds my lashes in place. I absolutely love this. 10 out of 10 recommend, and it's pretty affordable. So if you're looking for a good tubing mascara that's not going to clump your lashes, that's actually just going to make your lashes look beautiful, then this one, amazing. Okay, we have an empty body spray from Phlur. This is their hair and body fragrance mist in the scent Mango Mood. You guys, I love this. When you first smell this, it's not a perfume that I'm like I would immediately gravitate towards. It's one of those perfumes that once it's on you for like 10-15 minutes, it really starts to settle and it smells incredible. This, whenever I would wear this, because I'm the type of like girl that spraying my perfume, I'm gonna spray a body spray followed by the perfume, okay? So that's just my routine, body spray, then perfume. Whenever I would use this, no matter what perfume I was using, this would always overpower that perfume, but in an amazing way. The way that it just mixes with your skin and mixes with other perfumes is incredible. Like these fragrance mists from Phlur are absolutely insane. I love them so much. And this scent, when you first smell it, you guys, I'm telling you, it's not a scent that you're like, oh my god, like I'm gonna love it. The way that it wears on your skin is really what makes this like a standout product to me. Love it so much. It's very, very beautiful. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. I feel like everybody loves this product. This is the Olaplex Bonding Oil. I love this. As you can see, it is really freaking empty. I already have a backup, or one that I'm using already. This is really good. I used to not like this, and then I started trying other oils, and I was like, oh, I get why people like this, because this oil is so thin. I almost want to call it fine, but obviously it can't be fine, it's an oil, but it's so thin that it's not going to weigh your hair down and it's not going to make your hair look oily. So you just take like a few drops, rub it in between your hands and just run it through your hair, you guys, your hair will look so smooth and shiny, but it will not look oily and it will not look greasy. There's magic in here, and I understand why everybody loves this oil. Product, you guys, I cannot say enough good things about this. This is an incredible product. This is from Pacifica. It's their Future Youth Time Shift Eye Serum. And as you can see, this is literally empty. So this, you guys, is my go-to every single day eye serum. So I love to use this to prep my under eyes for concealer. When I don't use this, I notice such a difference in the way that my concealer wears. I also don't wear eye creams during the day unless like my under eyes are severely dry, which really only happens during the winter time. But typically I will just use this, put a little bit underneath my eyes, and it preps your under eyes beautifully for makeup. And it just literally, any concealer that I use for the most part sits beautiful on top of it. I already have another one that I'm using, and I have another backup that they actually sent me, so thankful for that. But this, you guys, if you're trying to figure out why your concealer is separating or creasing or just not looking like seamless underneath your eyes, try this eye serum from Pacifica and let me know, because she's 10 and a freaking 10, and she's affordable. Love her. I have a product that I cannot say enough good things about, you guys. I cannot shut up about this lip treatment. Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. You guys, I have gone through tubes and tubes and tubes of this. I love this. I almost have every single shade except for one. So this is the shade Strawberry Sorbet. It's not my favorite shade because I don't really like a strawberry like look on my lips, but you guys, I don't even care. I look past that because of how much I love this formula. So the original one is clear, then this one is like a pinky strawberry color, then they just came out with one that's like a nudish color, so loving that at the moment. But you guys, this does not irritate my lips. Like the Summer Fridays irritates my lips, and I don't even find it to be that good. Every time I use it, my lips get irritated. It doesn't last a long time. This, you guys, I wear this when I go to the gym, okay? Because when you're in the gym, you're focused, you're concentrated, and I'm doing a HIIT workout, and I'm always like making faces, rubbing my lips together, like just trying not to focus on the fact that I feel like I'm literally dying. And this lasts me through an entire 1 hour workout to the point where I get home and it's still on my lips. So you guys, if you want something that's long lasting, going to nourish your lips, not irritate them, hydrate them, then this from Ole Henriksen is 10 out of 10. Like I said, I cannot shut up about it because it is so freaking good. I have another product from IGK. This is their Good Behavior 4-in-1 Prep Spray. It's detangling, frizz control, heat protectant, and it leaves your hair super shiny. So same line as the Good Behavior regular spray, like the other like after spray I want to call it. But you guys, this spray, it is incredible. The way that it tames my frizz is literally unmatched, and the fact that I can drown my hair in this and the next day my hair is not going to be super greasy because of this product is incredible. Like there's like some really good like frizz control sprays, but I have really fine thin hair, and whenever I like use them, the next day my hair just looks greasy and it literally looks like I didn't wash it. Even if I wash my hair at night and the next morning my hair will immediately look greasy. So the fact that this doesn't weigh down my hair, doesn't leave my hair looking greasy or oily, and literally tames the fuck out of my frizz, oh, what more can I ask for? Nothing. I absolutely freaking love this product, and I always buy the travel size. This is 2 ounces, and I use this 2 to 3 times a week, and you guys, this lasts me like 5 months. Like no joke, unless I have visitors or my sister's here or something, this is literally gonna last me so long. So you don't necessarily need to buy the full size. I think the travel size is just enough. Another body spray, this is from Ellis Brooklyn. This is in their scent SeaSeaSea. And you guys, I do really like this body spray, but for the price, I think this is like $40 frigging dollars. I mean, the packaging is incredible. The way that this smells is amazing. Is there anything left? Oh, there's some left. Oh, you just sprayed a little bit. This is so expensive, you guys. It's a pretty long time, but I just feel like for the price, I really would have to spray this like 20 times to really get it to last a long time. So for the price, I don't necessarily think it was worth it. If it was like 20 bucks, I'd be like, hell yeah, this is so worth it. But I think it's like 40 bucks. So for that, I don't think it's worth it. I wouldn't necessarily repurchase it myself. So Sol de Janeiro scent in the scent 59. This is one of their newer ones. This is the one that everybody online was saying, what's it called? Like attract spiders, which is not true. Like not at all. But you guys, this is like a caramel vanilla dream. I absolutely love this. When I first bought it, I'm not gonna lie, I like bought into the spider thing and I was like, huh, am I gonna like this? And then I wore it like a lot, and then obviously there's no spiders. The way that this smells is incredible. It's another body spray that the longer it's on your skin, the better it's going to smell. And I do smell this throughout the day, so it's not one of those body sprays that you're gonna spray and then it's gonna like disappear for the whole day. Like, no. This, especially when you combine the two of them, the lotion with the body spray, it is an incredible combination. I'm literally obsessed with it. I haven't repurchased it yet because I have so many perfumes. If you guys saw my perfume collection, then you know. And then I also have so many more that I haven't even gotten to yet that I need to show you guys. But yeah, so I haven't repurchased it yet, but I definitely would. This is another product from Ole Henriksen. This is their Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. You guys, I'm just gonna keep this very simple. I love this product. I absolutely love this product. I stand by this product. I have like 2 backups of it. Like, I love it. It's so hydrating, but it's not, your skin's not gonna feel greasy, but it's just gonna keep your skin hydrated, nourished. It doesn't break me out. Ole Henriksen is one of my favorite skincare brands. Like, I absolutely love their products, as you guys can see. So yeah, this, you guys, 10 out of freaking 10. Like, literally, I wiped this jar clean because I love this product so much. Like, I cannot be without it. It's my go-to nighttime moisturizer. And we have the Lancome Genifique Serum. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, I really like this serum. I don't know if I would necessarily purchase it myself. I'm not gonna lie, this was sent to me in PR, and I have another one that was sent to me in PR. That's the only reason why I have this. I'm more of like the affordable serum girl, like Pacifica or something like that. But I do really like this. It really makes your skin look nice and even and smooth, and it hydrates your skin. I'm like 50-50. I think like a part of me would definitely repurchase this because it's also anti-aging and just the way that it makes my skin feel, and it doesn't break me out, which I love, you guys. If a product doesn't break me out, I'm like, yes, bitch, because so many products break me out and this one doesn't, and I do really enjoy it. It is just really expensive, but on the bright side, it does last me a pretty long time. I think this is like 1 ounce, but yeah. I'm like 50-50 on it. You guys let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this product and what you think. Do you think it's worth it? Again, I'm 50-50. I do really like it though. So I don't know. And then the last product, you guys, is a product that I've spoken about for years at this point. This is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Essence. So the way that I like to use this product is when I get out of the shower and my face is all cleansed and everything, I will go in with a cotton round and just go over my entire face. This is going to add hydration to my skin, and I love this because I don't always get all the makeup around my hairline because I don't wash my hair every day. So when I'm in the shower, I don't like to really like scrub too much over here and get my hair wet. So around my hairline, this, when I put it on a cotton round, will pick up any extra makeup that like the makeup balm or the cleanser may have left behind, and I love this product. Again, it's super hydrating on my skin. I love the way it makes my skin feel. Doesn't break me out. It's super affordable. Like, I could not say enough good things about this. It is just so good. So you can use this as like, if you want to just dump it in the palm of your hands and kind of just like powder all over your skin, you can do that. Or you can do what I do, where you can like use it to like take off any extra makeup that may be around your hairline or anything. But you guys, if you're a dry skin girly, this, whew, 10 out of frigging 10. Hey guys, so that pretty much completes all of my most recent empties. Like I said in the beginning of the video, most of these products I would repurchase. I do pretty much enjoy all of these products, so I'm sorry if that was kind of annoying to you. But these are my honest thoughts, you guys. Like, I'm not gonna like lie. Like, these are my genuine thoughts. I genuinely love pretty much everything in this video. Let me know down below if you guys have tried any of these products, and leave me any of your recommendations based on what you saw me go through in this video. Let me know down below what you guys think I would like, and I would be so open to trying it. So that's everything I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.